The FIFINE K678 USB microphone is a plug-and-play mic made for the content creator. With its LED indicator, mute button, volume dials, and a headphone jack, you will get the best of both worlds when it comes to playability and practicality. With the minimalistic appearance of this mic, you get the power of an XLR microphone without all the inconvenience of the complexities of setup with just one USB plug-in. An all-metal design with a slick black finish, exceeded by the mesh top in an all-in-one minimalistic content creator's dream of a microphone, accompanied by the included metal triangle stand that gives you peace of mind when it comes to stability from vibration, plus the function of removing the microphone from the stand and using the included adapter to attach a boom arm makes for a game changer for the content creating world. With the minimalistic 3-button design of the FIFINE K678 USB microphone, you get practicality at a very competitive price. A microphone level control button, a low latency monitoring and headphone control, and a convenient mute button with LED indicator to let you know when you are on and when you're off. This microphone has a 14mm size capsule, which makes your voice appear larger, meaning at the same distance it offers a low-end frequency response without the fear of clouding up your sound. The FIFINE is a budget-friendly, well-rounded, smooth tone mic that gives quality to anything you create.
I built a rocket in my basement. I'm gonna fly it to the moon. This supersonic is amazing. You're gonna feel my sonic boom. I'm flying higher and I'm never coming down. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me. We brought the funk into this function. We show up dressing to the nines. Okay. Never need an introduction. No matter what, we're feeling fine. I'm flying high and I'm never coming down. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. I can't stop. I'm never giving up because I'm way too hot to not be at the top. I can't stop. I'm never giving up because I'm way too hot to not be at the top. I'm flying high and I'm never coming down. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me. Ladies, leave your man at home if he don't treat you like a queen. Yeah. Fellas, if you need a role model, then you can roll with me. Oh, I'm flying high and I'm never coming down.
What's going on, YouTube? If you don't know, I'm just some guy trying his best. So in all disclosure, I was sent this mic by the fine people at the FIFINE technology company. Even though they are supplying me with this microphone, they are not supplying me with my own thoughts and opinions in this video, so don't worry about that. Since I've gotten this mic, I've absolutely enjoyed it. Now, I'm no expert by any means at microphones or audio for that matter. I'm just some guy trying his best. Speaking of that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Every little bit helps. I personally use a Rode Micro and a Deity D3 Pro. That's what I've been using for all my audio on my videos, and that has been a learning curve. And I wanted to dip my toes in the realm of pod mics, but never did because of all the extras that come behind it. Between the cloud lifters, XLR cables, and the whole new learning curve that I would have to learn. So a microphone that is a one plug-in resolution that I'm able to use my free software on my Mac or iPad intrigued me. So when the FIFINE people reached out and wanted to send me a mic, I was like, hell yeah. So for 100% of the audio from the narration over the B-roll and all the sound effects you hear, and even this right now, is all being recorded on the FIFINE K678. And I have to say, I'm enjoying this microphone. You can definitely tell the pride this company has for its product if the packaging comes in a fine, last time, I swear. Maybe. Other words, the packaging it came in was very aesthetically pleasing and I absolutely enjoyed what it offered. I think that this mic paired with a shock mount and a boom arm makes for a great sound and great aesthetic on camera, which I'm kind of thinking about keeping in my videos. I don't know. It's very simple to use, just a plug and play essentially. Now, you don't have to use GarageBand or a paid application. You can use QuickTime on a Mac or the free recording feature on a phone to use this mic. Now, I only have one gripe with this microphone, and that's the plug option they chose for this mic. It's the old school USB plug-in opposed to a USB-C option, which would be nice just for a functionality purpose, but it doesn't hinder the performance in any way, so don't worry about that. All in all, this is a solid microphone, especially for the price point. Right now it's $59.99 on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description. Just so you know, all the voiceover and narration in this video does have a compressor and a limiter added in post. So if you're wondering, that's what I did with it. Now, if you have any questions about the microphone or the shock mount or arm I'm using, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and have a good one. Thanks.